Alrighty, welcome back to another Shumi unboxing video. Today is very exciting. We are actually adding to our collection the LA Comic-Con 2022 show exclusive, as well as that Toystop Collectables exclusive of the metallic paint job version of Nezuko Kamado. So, from Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba. This is pop number 868, and we will start by just checking out the box. So coming down the left side, you can see that Asonoha hemp leaf pattern of her main kimono. The various other options of pops available on the back here. And of course, the window box packaging on the other side, her peeking up over the end. Classic Funko Pop anime top, and all of your legals and barcodes and warnings and stuff on that bottom. So, getting into this pop itself, if you'd like a pro tip for opening up your pop boxes without getting any damage to these corners, you actually get a razor blade. Take that flat edge of the blade, slide it under one corner, put just a little pressure right here, and gently lift that corner up out of the box. And then repeat for the other side. It eases the process along and avoids any unnecessary damage for your pop box. But let's get Nezuko out of here and check out the pop itself. So a double clamshell inner plastic layer, keeping it nice and safe. Got that base plate separated at the bottom. And let's check out Nezuko herself. So, beautiful attention to detail. You can immediately tell with the soft fade from the orange-red of her hair down to the metallic black. And then getting a good close look at the kimono here, I am actually blown away with how much detail they got into that pattern, and then the separation of paint on all of her belts, and then down to the sandals as well. All the way up to the fingernails being painted nice and individually. So, ton of gorgeous detail on this figure. Let's go ahead and get some close-ups and check it out a little further. So there we have our LA Comic-Con 2022 show exclusive, as well as the Toystop Collectables exclusive of the metallic paint job version of Nezuko Kamado. So that is available right now at shumistore.com, and of course we genuinely appreciate if you guys could leave a subscribe and a like on this video. It helps us out a ton, and if there's anything in particular you want us to unbox for next time, let us know down below. But for now, thank you very much for checking it out, and we will see y'all on the next one.